In our concern for global climate change, biomass is a determining factor. It is remarkable that it is not at the forefront of our minds, while it can make the difference we're looking for. In fact, with biomass, we could turn a problem into a solution. Because crops such as wheat, sugarcane, rice and corn produce large quantities of residues. Only a small part of the corn plant, 20%, is corn. 80% is residue. The worldwide quantity of these residues is enormous. The global production of corn alone produces over 1 billion tons of byproduct annually. If we could only put this to use, we could deliver biofuel for all of the world's heavily polluting ships and aeroplanes. And that's only considering the corn waste of all our crops. Biomass takes up a major part of the world's landscapes. At present, many feedstock owners have no use for their residues. So most of it is burned directly in the fields, creating pollution and fine particle emissions that affect millions of people. The way we treat bioresidues in large parts of the world has little value and causes a great deal of harm. There is a solution to this, one that is actually very effective and advantageous to nature, farmers, local populations and our planet. By processing and densifying the residues at the place of harvesting and turning them into a powerful substance. This is the innovation. A mobile torrefaction unit converts residual feedstock into these torrefied briquettes called torquettes. There is 30 times more energy stored in these high-density torquettes, enabling very efficient transportation. From the biomass residue torquettes, we can produce green chemicals, biofuels, and renewable power. Things the world needs urgently and in large amounts. To produce green chemicals and biofuels, the torquettes are the basis for a two-step gasification process, resulting in two main products, clean syngas and biochar. Syngas is so pure that it's the basis for a wide spectrum of chemicals. The most prominent is biomethanol, a chemical that can be processed into many products that are presently derived from fossil fuels. Biomethanol can be directly used as a fuel in conventional engines, and it's regarded as the game-changer fuel for supertankers on their way to sustainability. Biomethanol is pivotal in green chemistry, where it is converted into ethylene, propylene and butylene, and to produce bioplastics. Similar processes can also be used to produce biokerosene, enabling sustainable aviation. Prices of biomethanol are already competitive with fossil fuel prices, and they are expected to outprice fossil fuels within 5 to 10 years. Biochar, the second product to come out of this gasification process from biomass, is a high-value product, a stable form of carbon that improves the fertility of soils. It can also be applied in numerous products, such as composites, and as active carbon in highly needed water purification. If we torrefy biomass residues at the source, not only do we widely reduce CO2 emissions, but these agricultural communities also gain an attractive, clean business model, creating value for communities and the planet.